Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be making roasted veggie kebabs. For this recipe you'll need onion set, zucchini, cherry tomatoes, mushrooms and mini sweet bell peppers. Let's get started. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees. After I'll start to peel zucchini skin and slice them. Next, I've gently removed all seeds out of the bell peppers. Prepare 5 bamboo skewers and start to thread the veggie on them, alternating vegetable pieces. I'll start with the onion. Next, zucchini or squash. After that, tomatoes, mini bell peppers, mushrooms, again tomatoes and zucchini, and the last one, an onion. Now I'll just need to finish with thread the veggies onto 4 skewers. I have some room here and I got extra sliced zucchini. I'm going to put it on the stick as well. At this time to prepare parchment paper, the baking tray, and put veggies on them. Brush veggies generously on all sides with oil or vegetable oil, and use season with salt and pepper. Roast about 15-25 minutes until the skin darkness. I have still extra zucchini and I put them in the oven as well. Vegetables are ready and you can see brown sides and all pieces are cooked. Remove tray from the oven and serve roasted vegetables while still hot. I usually serve roasted vegetables with roasted meat, chicken or fish. Try this kebab and you will like it. Thanks for watching and find full written recipe in the video description below. Don't forget to subscribe, smash a like button, follow, and I will share new simple food recipe with you.